it seems fine for me, like seismic structure.
You got the result?
Except, yes, there were no errors or anything. It was fine. Like I just wrote the steps and just followed it as such.
Okay. So
Everything.
yeah, if you are writing the steps, then no need to worry. Then you will get the result for sure.
Yeah, everything I am like just putting arrow and writing down.
Okay.
So
So
one doubt for the
uh,
start finisher, like coding, it's actually needed or not? Like we are not finding the center of gravity like that, right? We can use the
uh,
other method, right? The
no
commands.
commands. So you were telling center of gravity is not coming for you.
No, it was coming, but I didn't feel like adding the code like similar to coding. I felt it a bit hard than the other
Uh,
one.
oh, okay. So you can just go and do when you're doing a perform analysis and we are going for print all.
Okay,
Like that also you can able to try. Yeah.
I can show that portion again, like a center of gravity. It's a bit
Okay.
confusing.
Okay. Don't confuse. That is very simple. Actually, without confusion only, it is simple to just go for STAAD editor.
Okay, I don't know, like I was a bit confused there.
Okay. So this is what yesterday we did, right? Seismic analysis.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I was just telling you can just go here analysis and print, and we are doing the perform analysis for all.
Okay.
So this one, like this, we can also go for a post to print and then the define commands here. And you can just go for CG and you can able to add it. So it is like very difficult to like remember, but once you remember, it will come. Even sometimes, like when you are just assigning from here, the result it is not displaying. Maybe some software glitches there. So that's why I'm telling. So just go here in STAAD editor and only very
Mm-hmm.
simple, you should not modify anything else. So only you need to put enter before the finish, and you can just type print CG, and after closing it will become capital letters and all. You need to put print space CG. That is important.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I guess this is easy, but somehow I was not getting that.
Oh, okay. No, this is very simple. No, actually, you can try this. This one always works in any kind of version.
Okay.
Yeah. So now we can just go for steel design today, right?
Yeah, but Windload. Yesterday when you started with Windload, I told to.
Okay. To hold it, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So that we can just continue with the wind load with the same structure. No need to model again, right?
Okay.
So I will just go to
Okay. Yeah.
general and then loads and definition. And here we need to go for definition again. So here wind definition you need to go. We are going to like create a wind load, right? So before creation of wind load, wind definition is important. So otherwise, how it will be like when you are going for here and not here. So here when you are just going and you are just going to put a wind, okay. So wind load in x direction and wind load in the z direction. Okay, so when you're adding, na, like you can't able to find the wind load because it's not possible without a definition. See, wind definition is required in order to assign a wind load. Okay.
Okay.
So that you need to go for wind load and you need to go for wind definition and add it. And you don't worry about anything. If you want to change, then you can change. I'll just add it. So we are just having a type 1. And here you need to add again. So here you can just go for custom. You can able to put your own value. So the wind intensities. So this wind intensities all like you can get from your local body. Okay, for particular height, how much the intensity like that we can able to get. Otherwise, we can able to just go as per calculation ASCE. So calculate as per ASCE in the sense you will be available with this window, and here you can able to select which code book you want and also the categories. And
Mm-hmm.
again, if you are worried about these things, then you can refer the particular code book and where you will be like able to study what it category one means and all, and you can able to refer some maps if you have. Okay.
Okay.
See, but basically like wind speed maximum 85. Okay, this is what Even some area 120 also it is possible, and you can able to select which kilometer per hour or meter mph or something like per meter per hour like that. So you can just change
Okay.
and you can put the value accordingly. Even the exposure category and all, you can refer the code book and you can able to see which kind of
Mm-hmm.
exposure we are going to put. Okay, the structure you can select by your own building structure or chimney structures or open signs, solid signs, trussed towers. So mostly you can select the building structures. Okay. Or if you are
Mm-hmm.
just having steel transformers and all, like you can just select so this trussed tower like that.
Which one? Trust Tower.
So for transformers, na, steel this like steel
Yeah,
members.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, it is tower and also truss in the sense mostly for steel members. Yeah, okay. Okay. So
Yeah,
any
your sound is breaking in between. Like, I don't know whether it's a problem here or there.
maybe the internet. I think the Wi-Fi is correct.
Yeah,
Yeah. Now
it's
can
breaking in.
now it's audible.
It's audible, but in between, it's like a break is there, and sometimes it's fast, sometimes slow.
Oh, okay, okay, no problem. Yeah. Okay. And apart from this, like until this, okay, right?
Yeah, this is mine. Yeah,
After that, like there is something called hills or escarpment. So this particular
yeah,
structure you are going to have on top of the hills or not. If it is no, then you can put
not
no. If you want yes, you can put yes. Okay, very simple. And when you click
okay.
OK,
Actually, Indian
automatically
standards, Indian, yeah, Indian standards. We are designing for wind load in the sense
uh,
like hill, the top of hill or not.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So
Okay.
here, like you can able to like see based on the calculations, you are getting the intensities and also on the height. So you can see the intensity 0.614 in the 0 meter,
Mm-hmm.
but it is gradually increasing 0.71 on the 12 meter because it is selecting 12 meter. But here we are having even more. So that's why manually putting also it's better because this
Okay.
is not 12 meter. Na? Maybe sometimes it is so manually you can able to put okay. So now I'm going to add it. When you are adding, then factor it will come. So factor you can put one factor. So that's it. So you can just exposure assign to view. So it is just assigning to the view. Now you can just go here and you can add the wind load. So now it is the wind load. It will be open. Okay. And again the minimum, maximum, and values you need to put. So this one
Okay.
0. Double click here and then 27,825. So 27, 8, and then 25. Okay, now you can just see this one. See, the wind load is applying. Got right.
Okay.
And again for
Yeah.
the wind load here, you can also add.
So the one which we added is just for X direction, right?
X direction. Now we are going for Z direction. So
Okay.
Z direction you need to select and you need to put a 27 and then 8, 25. So now you can see the different,
Hmm. Yes, the direction. Okay.
yeah. Okay. So then we can just go to analyze. Very simple. So through this wind load also you can able to have combinations and you can able to like analyze.
Hmm.
Very simple. You know now how to like create combination. Just to go here and then add, and we already discussed we can just go for our own combination. Mostly industry people they used to go for own defining combinations, okay, or auto load combination as per the
Okay.
ACI or AASC, and you can see general
That's
public garage or if you're considering public generate loads and then add, so automatically it will be created. Even this it is like editable, so you can just click here and you can able to
hmm.
edit all these things. the factor and all. See, if
Okay.
it is like combination, then then where it comes the factor. Okay,
Okay.
okay, so that you can just analyze now. So that's it. So you need to complete a seismic first, and then you can go for rest of the loads and output file. Okay, that's it. CG and all like it will come. Okay. So for the wind load also we are getting these values. Okay, so this 3 and 4.
Hmm.
Okay. So now what you can do is like you can just go to post processing and you can just select everything. And here you can just select the combination or the envelope or you what you want. For example, if for a wind load in the Z direction, so how the structure going to have like so this one we already discussed anyway. Reactions for this also it will come, and also for the beam, so the shear forces and the bending moments. So this is shear force before we see a bending moment.
Hmm.
Okay. So the axial forces, normally the axial forces, it will be more in the bottom columns and it will be very less in the top columns. Okay. And this one, like, okay. Based on the wind load also, we are able to see the, that's it. And now you can just go for design. Concrete design we seen, right?
Yeah.
Uh, okay. So the concrete design we can see. So this one we seen, right? Concrete design here you are selecting and all.
Yes.
This
Different
one,
parameters.
yeah, yeah. Okay then. Then after this you can go for design. Very simple.
O-
Now if I'm just going for a concrete design and if I'm just going for a ACI and then select parameter and if I'm just going for compressive strength and then main strength and secondary strength, even you can able to select a minimum maximum bar sizes,
Hmm.
maximum main and then minimum secondary and all. Okay, so that you can able to define. See here, like I think this big structure you can able to take more strength. Anyway, I will consider the same. Even for columns separately, you can take the concrete strength and all. We studied right, like M40, M30 and all.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, maximum main reinforcement bar size, like you can able to choose any of this. So if you want maximum main reinforcement 32, you can just put 32, okay, and then add. So accordingly, you will get the result. Okay, now you can just assign to view and then assign to view and then assign to view, then assign to view. Now you can just go to comments and then just okay. Now what you can do means like a geometry. Just to go to the this one. So select beam parallel to y-axis, and I will go for command and then I directly assign. Okay, so we can see the column assigned. Okay, now I will just go for select and then inverse beam. So it is automatically
Mm-hmm.
getting inverse. This option also you can use. Now you can just go to commands and then assign and you can just ensure the column and beam, okay, separately coming. But we don't have slab, right? That's why we can't able to get the slab design because you need to have
Okay.
plate so that it will come. Otherwise, it won't come.
So, okay.
So now I will
But
just
yesterday we had it, right? Like, so I
no,
remember like we adding it.
no, because I was
There. Okay.
adding the floor weight. Na, for floor weight, the plates not
Oh,
needed.
okay, okay.
See, it is like because we are considering floor weight without the plates. But if you want concrete design, you're supposed to have plates.
Okay.
Okay, so the define this one, the commands, and then take off. Okay, then analyze. Since it is like concrete design, little bit more time it will take.
Okay.
So the concrete design it will come. Okay.
Mm.
And see here you can able to see the sizes. Uh, 20 number of 12 bar and all like that. And now you can also go for beams. This is for column, I guess. So you can also see the beam number 2, and you can see the height and also bar information. Three numbers of 16 bars like that.
Mhm.
Okay, very simple. And now you can also go for takeoff. See, now you can see the 12 bar and 16 bar and the weight and also the total volume of concrete. We can able to just refer. So this volume of concrete, how it is taking based on the length, breadth into height. Is that
But okay.
yeah? And this is like based on the length and also weight based on the sizes. You know, na pi d square by 4 into the height. That one weight you can able to calculate, right?
Yeah, into a number of bars, right? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So mostly in STAAD Pro and manual calculation, it will be 100% perfect. Yeah.
Okay.
So very simple. So that you can able to see the bar sizes. See here, concrete design. You can see how much the 20 number of column bar. Because since we are putting same load, we can see everywhere also getting same, and also size is also same. So here you can see the sizes. So three number of 16 bar and also at center to center of this one. So even you can able to modify a little bit, but it should come similar to the analysis. Okay.
Okay.
And here, yeah, I think mostly same because the loads and all and the configuration also same, right? That's why. So very simple. So now you should do seismic analysis, wind load, and also the concrete design for any kind of structure, RC structure.
Okay.
Okay.